Drinks you should consume to flush out colon infection from your body. Water. 1. Drinking plenty of water is one of the best things to do during a colon cleanse. Drinking at least 10 to 12 glasses of water gives your body the lubrication it needs to flush out toxins. Drinking enough water throughout the day also helps food more easily move through the digestive system. 2. Apple juice. Apple juice is another liquid that helps clean the colon. Apple juice can break down toxins, improve the liver, and increase bowel movements. To make apple juice work more efficiently, drink 1 glass of water 30 minutes after drinking apple juice. 3. Lemon juice. With the high amount of antioxidant properties lemon juice contains, lemon juice is another drink that can be used for colon cleansing. Mix lemon juice with sea salt, honey, and a glass of lukewarm water. For best results, drink this mixture in the morning on an empty stomach. 4. Raw vegetable juice. During a colon cleanse, it is recommended to replace solid foods with fresh vegetable juice for 1 to 2 days. Fresh vegetable juice helps remove toxins and provides vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Do not use ready-made vegetable juices, because they do not provide the same benefits.